What's up, Kia? Too technical. So I'm back again with another video, and I just wanted to show you that I was able to get temporary unlock on my Moto Razr Plus. So pretty much all I had to do was go into the T-Mobile app and sign up for temporary unlock, and this unlocked my device until September the 9th. So pretty much I am able to use this for texting and calling, and I can show you that it actually works. As you can see here, it does say AT&T at the top. I don't know how well you can see that, but it says AT&T. I am getting 5G connection, so on and so on, and that's cool that T-Mobile has something to where you can temporarily unlock your device. It's not permanent yet, but for right now it's just temporarily, and I can keep going into this after September the 9th is up. I'm sure I can do it again and get it for another month, temporary unlock. But I just wanted to show you that this is currently working and that I can make calls and make texts on this device, because that was something that I wanted to try out. I wanted to use this device as a daily driver, maybe as a backup device, just to see how I felt about it. So pretty much if I go into my phone app real quick, I can make a call. I'm gonna call one of my other devices. Just to show you that this does indeed work. I'm calling my iPhone, and as you can see, it is currently picking up the call. So that is actually pretty cool. So I just wanted to make this video because, like I said, didn't think there was a way around it, which pretty much this isn't a way around it. This is just temporary, but it's still cool that I can do it for a month. So, you know, I'll be able to use this for text and calls for a month until September the 9th comes, and then, you know, it won't be temporary unlocked again. But I'm sure I can just go back into there and get it temporary unlocked until I'm ready to have it fully unlocked. But like I said, I just wanted to make this video follow up just to show you that yes, it's an AT&T Sims card in this device right now, and I'm currently getting 5G. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.